everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. I'm actually still sick, but I'm on the mend, even though I probably don't sound like it. It's actually about 4 days after I filmed the Portland Leather Goods collaboration, and just so happens I have another Portland Leather Goods box that I want to share, and we all have the flu. So yes, thank you. I haven't had that for quite a few years, and hit me like a Mack truck, hit the cameraman like a Mack truck, our son like a Mack truck, and I think I'm on the mend. Cameraman's going to be going into the doctor in the next couple days again, thinks he's got ear infection now from that, and my son who's 23 sounds like he's got croup. But we're actually all feeling much better than we were. So Vlogmas must go on. It's my first year doing it, so I want to make sure to get it all done and in. So I am here with another unboxing. I don't know how familiar everybody is with Portland Leather Goods. I mean, obviously now we've been showing it. We love it. And you find out that they have some kind of set, standard, so to speak, colors. And that in order to get what they call their unicorn colors, you have to purchase mystery boxes. And even then you're not, well, you're sometimes guaranteed a unicorn, but it might not be what you want, what you were looking for, things like that. But what they've been doing is, with it being Christmas time, they have been doing a lot of fun things. Like we did the collaboration where they dropped the raindrop bag and some little love bugs, small leather goods. And then they started doing the 12 Days of Christmas. And so they've been every day doing something else new and unique that, yes, they've probably done before, but don't standardly do. And people have been going in to buy and grab the things they get. Sometimes it's colors, things like that. So after I had done the order that I showed when I did my Portland Leather Goods collaboration, some more things showed up on the website. One thing I didn't get, I held out, but when something else was announced like a day later, I went in and had to grab that in a couple things. So that's this, and I am more excited about this item, particularly the color, than I think I ever have been before about a Portland Leather Goods item that I knew was available or could be. So this is why I want to do a true unboxing. I was going to open it and then just film the reveal. And I'm like, no, I just want to have my reaction on camera and just make it authentic. So
this is a purchase and not a mystery box.
Right.
Okay.
This was a purchase. So, woo, that's my confetti. So I got 3 small leather goods and then a bag. So let's start. Okay, it's probably easier if I set these down. All right, so I like that they put the names on here. So this one I got because I like the color. This is just one of their daisies, and this is in their color Succulent. It's very similar to like the matcha color they just had come out, but this is a little more, I guess, olivey green, and it's again some of that like nubuck leather. It's just, oh.
Like all of the other reindeer?
Yeah, no, it's soft and it's just, I love it. I love this color. I wish they'd come out in a bag in the Succulent. But I think what I'm going to get is even cooler. All right. Then the next thing I got is a strap. And this is one of the items that I wanted to buy, but I wasn't going to put another full order in just for this. But since the bag showed up on the site, then I bought the bag and this. So this is one of their straps that came out. So I got this strap here. It's got some like, it's almost like a gold metallic and a copper metallic, and then pebbled black and regular black in it. So it's just a strap. Let's see, obviously it's removable. I think I got 2 different sizes too. Well, I think this is the longer one. I think is this the crossbody one? Let's just see. I'm gonna guess. Let's just try this on. Let's just try the strap on. That sounds
weird.
Disgusting. So maybe for a smaller person this is crossbody, but it doesn't matter to me. I wanted the strap and I thought it was really cool. But let's see about the size, because I'm pretty sure I got, yes, 2 straps. Let's see what this says. Link, okay, this is the shoulder strap. Okay.
So what was that? Crossbody?
That must be the crossbody, yeah. And it is the same, but I wanted to see what the sizes were. You know, like, so I guess that is substantially different. And I suppose this does look pretty long. If I had it on a bag, it maybe would be a little different than that. So the shoulder strap, it almost seems thinner. But, oh, no, it's not. Wow. Okay.
Just shorter?
Yeah, shorter. So I got the 2 straps. I thought this would go with a lot of the colors that I have and just be a little bit different. God, these are just nice and, like, pliable. And they're like...
Are you able to smell the leather, or are you too stuffed?
I have to put it pretty close to me to smell it. I think I'm a little too stuffed. So I got these 2. I thought, like I said, they'd go good with... I have a lot of brown bags, brown colored, so I thought that would go really neat with them. But now we're gonna go with this. Oh, this is what I wanted. Of course, I can't get it out of the box.
We know. We've watched this video before.
Okay, I didn't know it was gonna.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your box now.
Good, look at you, even sick. You're good. Okay. I know, I almost have it. Like, Jamie, please stop doing unboxing.
There's so much suction.
I know.
Oh my.
Honey, stop it.
Now she's gonna need to take a nap.
There's nothing to see here.
She's exhausted.
Oh my gosh. And I don't want you guys to see the color and stuff, so I'm trying not to show it on the box. Okay.
We had to film this video in 2 parts because she had to take a nap.
Right. I know this probably isn't anywhere near as funny as it seems to me right now, but, you know, if you've been sick and in the house for a few days, it's not hard to make things really funny. Okay. Oh, and if you notice, I wrapped a ton of presents, about 40 or so. Well, sick, but I figure they'll be good by the time anybody comes over. All right. Welcome to the fam. I like how they keep welcoming me.
Right?
This is something I have been waiting for. This, to me, is something of legends. This is called Cowboy Mint. Oh, she is nice. Oh.
Coming off a little lighter green
Oh.
on the camera.
She is so pretty. Green is my favorite color. It's like I didn't feel like I had a lot of green bags. I guess I do, but kind of compare. Here's Succulent. You can kind of tell this is like more of like a Kelly green. Hopefully this helps it come into color a little better. Do you think? Or
No.
okay.
Doesn't help with your green pants either.
Oh yeah. Nobody look at my pants. I have sweatpants on. I'm sick. But this is Cowboy Mint. It is, oh my gosh, pull up. Autumn always talks about what this is. It's got like the pull up in it. And I have been dying for them to
like the toddler diaper pull up?
No. Oh. I have been dying for them to do a green bag. Just a green. Not an avocado green and not, I mean, they do some other pretty greens, but this is the one that I have been waiting for. And she did not disappoint. So this is my Cowboy Mint crossbody bag. And yeah, I grabbed her up the second she showed up. Just got the snap version. That worked for me. And comes with a adjustable, removable. I'm not going to be trying on a bunch of bags today because, like I said, I'm in my sweats. But, oh yeah. Okay, now seeing this, I can see that that's a crossbody strip. Trying to put it on myself probably wasn't the best idea, but it probably made for good viewing. I'll keep telling myself that. So that's what we have for you today, just this quick unboxing, kind of quick. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it. Please consider subscribing. Make it a Merry Christmas for me, having you join the family. And hit the little bell notifications, then you get notified every time I put up a new video. Although in December, I am putting up a new video every day from the 1st through the 24th. And
are we done yet?
No. Oh. And we're getting closer. You have a couple of videos that we got should have at least 2 more videos come up with the cameraman in them instead of moi. And it'll be my top 5, or his top 5 favorite of my bags. And then we're also going to have him do a watch video on his birthday. And you can find me over on Instagram if you like as well. I'm James Jam over there too. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I do love when you leave comments and interact there. I just really get a lot out of it. I'm feeling like I'm starting to get to know people a little bit better, and that really means a lot. I mean, you guys really become like friends of mine, and so it's really nice. It's nice to get to interact with people that have similar tastes and or not similar tastes, because sometimes a difference of opinion or taste is really good. So until next time, which really means tomorrow, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Merry Christmas.